This video, I'm going to show you how to log out and delete your account on WhatsApp Business. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. So open your WhatsApp Business like this first. And when you open it, it's going to take you directly to this chat page. What you should do right now, just click on the three dots in the top of the screen. You're gonna find many options. Just go to the last one, settings, and open it. After that, guys, what you have to do, click on account. When you click on account, you can find like many options. There is no options called logout, so click on delete account. So what you have to do, you have to add your country and your phone number that you are using, and then click on delete account. So that's all in this video. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.